Related rates, airplane problem. An airplane is flying at an altitude of 4 miles and then is heading towards a radar antenna. When the plane is 5 miles from the antenna, the radar detects that the distance is changing at a rate of 350 miles per hour. What is the speed of the airplane at that moment? Round to whole number. So here's the diagram. The first thing that we want to do is plug in the given values. So A is 4, B is unknown right now, C is 5. To find B, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem. So c squared, which is 5 squared, minus a squared, so 4 squared, equals b squared. So 25 minus 16 equals b squared. So 25 minus 16 is 9 equals b squared. Take the square root of both, so b equals 3. So dA dt will be 0 because the height is not changing. dB dt is unknown because that is what we are trying to find. dC dt is going to be negative 350 because the plane is flying towards the radar. Now we are going to solve the problem. First, write down the equation that you will be using. So in this case, we'll be using the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, take the derivative. So 2a dA over dt plus 2b dB over dt equals 2c dC over dt. Now plug in the given values. So 2 times 4 times 0 plus 2 times 3 times dB over dt, because we don't know that, equals 2 times 5 times negative 350. Now simplify. So this will turn out to be 6 dB over dt equals negative 3,500. Now divide both sides by 6. So we'll get dB over dt equals, and if we punch this into a calculator, we will get negative 583.333 repeating. Now, since it says round to the nearest whole number, we will write dB over dt equals negative 583, but since the speed cannot be negative, so dB over dt will equal 583 miles per hour. And that is your final answer.